the price tag for a goalie like that?
Oh, that's horrible.
But I cost a little more than that.
You're like $12.99, so.
I'm $15.99 now.
You tried the $100, don't
I got like $300.
I just spit beer all over myself.
Baby, it's $100.
It's horrible.
Oh, man.
I can't find my lighter. You know what I'm
Here, I got one for you, Rick.
Oh, get up again, man.
Do it again.
You win the bet.
Winning. I don't know, is this winning?
I wonder what these things are.
I feel like they went to something because there's like an actual thing.
Those over there are bike coolers. Did you know that? Those things are for bikes. So I saw them at the store and they're for bikes. You didn't listen to me.
I did listen to you. They're for bikes. Where's that some nice nipple you got there?
These are standard pictures. We like this.
It's gonna be on Facebook.
It's very attractive. What do you mean? The sandals, they really set it off.
Vicky's gonna see this tomorrow and be like, what the fuck?
got action and shit.
What is that?
You got role-playing over there?
Hey. Calm down.
Guy.
She's gonna be very disappointed. Where's the old family truster?
Yeah, where's that old truster?
That's
I gotta take that to the hall tomorrow, the old truster.
the old family truster.
The good news is she look really cute.
Real cute.
You're next, big dad.
I already wore that thing once.
What? No, you didn't. I didn't see you wear it.
You weren't here. I tried it on one time.
What the hell are you wearing it without me here, you fucking weirdo? Why is this thing being stupid?